What's going on, everyone? Chris here with CBD Review Lab, and today I'm doing an unboxing video of some products that my friends over at CBDistillery sent me to try out. So let's not waste any time and see what we got. Alright, so here we have CBDistillery's 1000 milligram full spectrum CBD oil, which I've already tried and absolutely loved. So I'm super excited about this. It runs $60, but if you use the discount code CBD Review Lab, it'll bring the price down to $54, making it a very affordable CBD oil. And this is easily one of my favorite CBD oils I've tried to date. It's high quality and cheap. Alright, so moving on, we have CBDistillery's 5000 milligram full spectrum CBD oil, which I have yet to try, but I am very excited about this product as well. Each milliliter dropper contains 167 milligrams of CBD, which is just madness. I'm probably going to start out with a quarter milliliter, which is about 42 milligrams of CBD, and I'll work my way up from there if necessary. This is a ridiculously potent CBD product, which runs $240, but again, if you use the discount code, it'll save you some money and bring it down to $216, which is expensive up front, but you end up saving a little money in the long run because you get so much CBD. I'll be sure to include a link of my official review of this product in the description below, along with these other products. Alright, so on to the next. It looks like we have some nighttime gummies, which again I haven't tried, but I'm also very excited for these as well. I love taking CBD to help with sleep, so I'm very curious to see how these work out. It looks like they have 30 milligrams of isolated CBD with 1.5 milligrams of melatonin. I'm not a huge fan of isolates, but maybe I've just tried crappy products in the past. I've been so impressed with CBDistillery already, so I have a feeling these are going to be pretty awesome. They run $54 with the discount code. And last but not least, we have some chapstick, which I'm going to try out now. Alright, so here we have CBDistillery's CBD Chapstick. So there's 25 milligrams of CBD in this chapstick, and it's made from beeswax and contains natural vanilla. So let's try it out. Break the little seal. So you can definitely smell the vanilla. And it kind of reminds me of Play-Doh a little bit too, just the smell of Play-Doh. It has a little kind of yellowish orange tint to it. I think that's just from the beeswax. So let's try it on. It applies nice. I like that. That tastes good. It smells good. You can really kind of smell the vanilla a little more when you apply it. So overall, that's a nice little addition to go along with some CBD oil or something. So thank you so much to CBDistillery for sending me these products. I look forward to trying them out. So if you'd like to subscribe to this channel and keep an eye out for these reviews, please do. And if you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section below. So thank you so much for watching. Hope everyone has a great day. Peace.